Reiki symbol hearth is used for any type of improvement. It may be in relations, in habits, or in career building. This symbol has some special features as bad habits, bad company, unwanted relations, and relatives that one cannot pull on together can say very gently goodbye through this symbol. No one will be hurted. This symbol strengthens the love relations with each other whom someone wants by heart. This is used only for then when the other is willing. It is not used against the other person's willingness. It does not control anybody but gives an opportunity for improving relations by heart. It feels the feelings of love and affection, intelligence and wisdom. It removes the trauma reasons and conditions by going into root causes. Guides how to live a balanced life. Encourages how to increase the talent in adverse circumstances. This symbol is helpful to develop good habits and discard the bad habits. This symbol is the best remedy for the drunkards or the other persons who indulge in bad habits and don't want to leave them. My mostly videos are for self-healing. But in this video on seeing the compulsions of guardians or the parents, use distance healing method in this way. This is for drunkards who abuses their parents, relatives and other who cannot move or shift any place and tortured by drunkards. This method is very effective. Before using this symbol, use Reiki power symbols in this way. First step, draw Chokure above your head, left and right, and say Chokure, purify, activate, and stabilize for 3 times. Second step, draw Sehke above your head, left and right, and say Sehke, purify, activate, and stabilize for 3 times. Third step, draw Daikomyo above your head, left and right, and say Daikomyo, purify, activate, and stabilize for 3 times. Onsha Shunen in front of you to create connection with universe energies. You have to say 3 times, purify and activate. Now the process starts for distance healing. Draw heart symbol on your third eye chakra and sacral chakra. Third eye chakra is for changing the mentality. Sacral chakra is for changing the habits. Then use affirmation according to your problem or need. For example, you have to use it for drunkard, then make it ABC drunkard has no interest in drinking, now he is improving. Add more sentences according to your problem and repeat them for 10 minutes. After some days, you will find marvelous results. Reiki symbol hearth is used for